Today, we are diving deep into the battery life reality of the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy A55 and A35. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the phones with me just yet, but fear not, because I've got some exciting test results to share with you. A fellow YouTuber, Tecmo, recently posted a battery drain test video comparing the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy A35, and Galaxy A55. And let me tell you, the results are impressive. The Galaxy A55 boasts the powerful Exynos 1480 chip and a hefty 5,000 mAh battery, promising extended usage without frequent charges. Tecmo subjected these phones to rigorous tests, including YouTube streaming, Google Meet calls, and rigorous 5G usage. And you know what? The A55 held its ground like a champ. Even with 5G on full blast, which can be a real battery hog, its battery remained cool and steady. Compared to the competition like the S24, the A55 maintained cooler temperatures and exhibited longer battery life throughout the tests. Even in benchmarking tests, the A55 showcased its speed and efficiency, leaving no doubt about its performance capabilities. And when taken outside for GPS tracking and photos, the A55 continued to perform without a hitch. Now let's talk numbers. In the battery life showdown, the Galaxy S24 took the third spot with 4 hours and 25 minutes. The A35 secured the second position with an impressive 5 hours and 48 minutes. But the crown goes to the A55, topping the charts with a remarkable 5 hours and 51 minutes of screen on time. Although the A35 is no slouch either, coming close to the A55 with just a 3-minute difference. It's a solid mid-range contender offering great battery life and performance. But wait, there's more. GSM Arena recently conducted its own battery test on the Galaxy A55, and the results are equally promising. The Galaxy A55 achieved an impressive active use score of 13 hours and 27 minutes, ensuring a full day's worth of heavy usage from web browsing to video streaming and beyond without breaking a sweat. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or making calls, the Galaxy A55 proves itself as a battery champion. Thanks to its large capacity battery, efficient chipset, and user-friendly power management features. So say goodbye to low battery anxiety and embrace the freedom that comes with a phone that truly lasts. That's it for today, folks. What are your thoughts on these results? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, peace out.